Hi Briar, so we're going to go over how to install fonts today. Okay, so I already had you extract the folder, right? Remember, extract all, extract, and you get this. Okay, so since I don't like clutter, I'm gonna delete the first zip folder because we honestly don't need it anymore. Alright, now we have this, right? We're gonna take all the WOF files, which is, you could use WOOF, OTF, WOOF2, SVG, TTF, whatever. So all of these files are available, so you could use basically anything, all right? As long as it says that here. Cool. Now we're gonna go to our folder with all these fonts, right? And we're gonna select them all, like so, and we are going to drag it here. And then you already have these settings, right? So family support, yes. Add local rule, yes. Vertical metrics, yes. Basin code, no. And the only thing that's checked is WOOF2. And then you save your settings. So next time you come on this website, it's always saved. So then we're going to click convert. And this is going to take about 10 seconds for the font to convert. It already converted, and now we're going to download it. Okay, cool. We downloaded it, and it's going to be in a weird thing that says transfonter.org with a bunch of numbers, like I said. So we're going to rename it. Okay, so let's rename it to, what's the font called? League Mono. Right, so we're going to take this and we're going to delete the old League Mono folder because we don't have any use for it anymore. So we have the new League Mono folder. We're going to extract that. Extract. And what do we do with the old folders that we don't need anymore, the zipped ones? We delete them because, again, they're useless. I mean, a lot of people would just wait until everything is over to delete them so they don't make mistakes. But, I hardly ever make mistakes. All right. So now you have your League Mono folder, right here. Okay, we see that. We're going to drag it to our Dropbox folder. You're not added to our Dropbox yet. I'll add you once I add your email, once you look at this tutorial and you figure out how to do this. So we're going to take League Mono and we're going to drag it to the font Dropbox. So you see this little thing? This means that it's uploading. Okay, so this check means that it's finished uploading. We're going to double click it. Okay, now you have the League Mono in all WOFFF2 fonts, right? Cool. Now you're going to open up the style sheet in Notepad. This is the tricky part. It's not necessarily tricky. If you know how to read and you know how to follow instructions, you should get this quick. Okay, so look at what it says. It says font family, League Mono, SRC, local, font name, local, font name again. We are going to change the third line, which is this, the URL line. Okay, so now the first one, it says the name of this font is League Mono Medium. So now we're going to go look for League Mono Medium, right? We're going to right click it and we're going to go to copy Dropbox link. Okay, not version history, not view on Dropbox, but copy Dropbox link. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to take this and we are going to paste it. So it needs to be inside the little commas, okay? All right, let's try another one. League Mono Light. We're gonna look for light. We're gonna right click. We're gonna copy Dropbox link, and we are going to paste. And now League Mono Regular. We're gonna find regular. We're gonna right click, and we are going to paste. And now ultralight. Ultralight, let's see, right here. Copy Dropbox link. And we are going to paste it. See how easy? See how we're filling in the third line and third line only? So now we have thin. Okay, we're gonna copy and paste. Then we have semi-bold. We're gonna copy and paste. Another good thing to watch when you paste the fonts is make sure it says semi-bold in the end, and make sure this matches. Like this says semi-bold, this says semi-bold, A+. This says mono thin, this says mono thin. This says ultralight, this says ultralight. So that way you know you're doing the right thing and not pasting old URLs. Okay, so this one is extra bold. We're gonna look for extra bold, which is this. Copy Dropbox link and paste. And now the last one is bold. We're gonna do the same thing. Copy Dropbox link and paste. Are we done? Not yet. Almost though. Like this is the easy part. Now we're gonna take the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters of the links, right? Which is gonna be the question mark DL equals 0. So we're gonna go to edit and then go to replace, right? So we're going to take that, the question mark DL equals 0, and we're going to replace it with nothing, which means it's going to erase that part of the URL. And we're going to replace all. So the ending of the URL is going to always read WOFF2. Okay? Now we have one more thing to replace, which is www dot. We're going to replace the www dot with DL dot. DL stands for download, and it helps you read the font folder or whatever, font file, sorry. And that's it. And now all you got to do is save. And we are done. And you know how you check you're done? You double click on demo. Demo is going to open up the font file. You have installed your first font. And that's all there is to it. Now if this was broken or looked like Times New Roman, then you'd know that this isn't what it's supposed to look like. So there you go, you installed your first font folder. Then the last step is to sort it, but I don't expect you to learn how to do this now. As you install fonts, you'll be able to look at them and put it in what kind of style it belongs in. So this is a mono font, and I would move it to mono, but you don't have to do this part. You could just leave it out for me and let me sort it. It's the easiest for you, okay? So that's it, and I'm moving it to mono, and it's done. So you don't have to do the one you already have. We're gonna practice with another one, okay? Okay. And the video is over. How do I end the video? Am I not recording? Huh? Hold on. Oh, I am recording, see? Ha.